Hi, I'm Iowa Secretary of Agriculture Mike Naig, and I want to thank you all for joining us for the Iowa Farmers Market Association's virtual workshop series. The COVID-19 pandemic has presented unprecedented challenges, but it has also shown the resilience of Iowa's agriculture community. In the face of adversity, you all found creative ways to market your products to people in your communities. We tried to provide assistance through CARES Act funding and to help specialty producers and redirect specialty crop block grant funds to help farmers markets and food hubs adjust to the current public health guidelines. The Decorah and the Iowa City Farmers Markets took advantage of these funds to help launch an online platform to host virtual markets. Through 2020, consumer interest in local foods options has grown. This may be a silver lining as we move forward. And for our part at the Iowa Department of Agriculture and Land Stewardship, we're committed to helping to strengthen the local distribution systems and to make it easier for consumers to buy fresh and buy local. One program I encourage you to take advantage of is the Department's 2021 Specialty Crop Block Grant Program. The grants must support projects that raise awareness about and drive demand for and increase production of Iowa's specialty crops. Successful projects may receive up to $24,000. You must apply before March 11th, and the information is available at iowaagriculture.gov. Thanks for your creativity and your perseverance this past year. And thank you for playing such a vital role in the local food systems and your continued commitment to your communities. I wish you all a safe and successful farmers market season, and I look forward to a time when we can be together in person very soon. Thanks.